Are you ready to kickstart your career in technical, vocational, and education training fields? NAMCOL offers a range of comprehensive Tvet programs in high-demand fields such as office administration, welding and metal fabrication, plumbing and pipe fitting, automotive engineering mechatronics, and occupational health and safety. Whether you're looking to enhance your existing skills or embark on a new career path, NAMCOL's Tvet programs provide the perfect opportunity. Register now and unlock your potential for self-sufficiency and career success. Alternatively, take charge of your future by enrolling in our Tvet programs and pave the way for entrepreneurship. For more information, contact us at 061-320-5265.